let's make example. This one, first you need to notice that this one is the pin for rotating the station with this one. This one also has pin for clean and rotating it. Okay, yeah. Okay, and clamp and welding. Okay, first one, second one, find the pin and clean. Okay, right position. Okay, good. Okay, second one, third one. Okay. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. So after you finish the drill station, they will get alarm to let you know that you already have the drill. Then putting the cam. Okay. Out.